Ladies and gentlemen, today's a good day, and I want to tell you why after this word. Merry Christmas. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, welcome to the show. I just said Merry Christmas because somebody else is. Now, I'll tell you, I was going to be crazy. Now, I need to talk about this situation that's going on with this truck driver in Colorado that got 110 years in prison for killing 5 people. 5 people. Or 4 people. 4 or 5 people. So I'm trying to add this up. So he was charged. He was convicted of 46 counts. 46. He killed 4 or 5 people. So I added up. So it's like 22 years for each people that have died. 22 years. And now you have celebrities like the Kardashian woman. Yeah, the one with the big butt. They want to talk to the governor and say, please, you gotta let this guy don't get 110 years. But see, I read through the case. I saw some transcripts. And this guy, in Colorado, when you go downhill, there's a place for truck drivers, if they lose their brakes, they go to the side of the road. This guy did not do that. This guy plowed over these people at 85 miles per hour. 85 miles per hour. So if his trucks fail, who's in charge of that? Is that the trucking company or himself? It's a little bit of both. But nobody's talking about the trucking company. They're not suing the trucking company. Because this guy, oh, here we go. I'll get in trouble. This guy is not an American citizen. I'm just saying, this young guy should not be driving 18-wheeler. Because he's not a naturalized, he's not an American citizen. He is not an American citizen, ladies and gentlemen. Then you got Kardashian say, he needed community sentence. It's too much. Please. He killed 5 people. They're not coming back. They're not going to have Christmas with their families. And you want to give this guy less time? Let's see, he killed 5 people. That's 22 and a half years. 22 and a half years. If my adding's right. Kardashians, please. You can't even take care of your own husband. Now you're going to try to help somebody else. You can't even take care of your own marriage. You're dating, your divorce is not even final yet, and you're dating some creep from their kids, his kids, Kardashians. Who should I be mad at? Should I be mad at this truck driver or a Kardashian woman that has a big butt? You decide. Alright, just want to say thank you to my subscribers. I hope y'all have a Merry Christmas. I got to go.